How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can make a ball in Onshape CAD. This is going to be extremely simple. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to, of course, adjust your view. So you want to view your plane on the bottom part or on the top part. Either way, it's going to work the same. From here, you then want to add a sketch, and then let's add it to the top view or the bottom view. Once again, it doesn't really matter if you choose either. After drawing your sketch, you then want to select the center point circle, which will then allow us to draw our ball. From here, this will determine the radius or how big your ball is going to appear. After that, just select the line tool, and then you want to select the end of your both circles right here. So it's going to be from top to bottom. And then you can just trim the other side of your ball. Right after, just click on the revolve option. And then you want to make sure to select the faces of sketch. Click on remove axis, and then you want to select the middle part right here. From there, you have successfully made yourself a ball in Onshape CAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.